Hey everybody, welcome to this Ion instructional video, and I'm your host, Andre Hess. Today I'm going to show you how to find things in the style.css file, which is actually the file where 99% of the changes you'll want to make to the Ion theme will be made. I'll assume you've already downloaded and installed the Ion theme, but before we start, I'd like to remind you about safety. When you're working with WordPress themes, it's important to back up anything you're going to work on. To ensure that that happens, I recommend you use the safety net strategy. In fact, when I work with WordPress, the safety net strategy is my first order of business. It allows you to immediately bounce back from any mistakes you might make when changing theme files. Make sure you watch the safety net strategy video. Now let's get on with how to find things in the style.css file. When you're making edits to Ion's theme files, I recommend that you use the following workflow. Open 3 tabs in your browser. The first tab is your WordPress admin. The second tab is your website so that you can see any of the changes that you have made live. The third tab are one of Ion's instructionals, and in this case, I've opened up the block quotes. Now, for demonstration purposes, what I'm going to do is scroll down to the section of the instructional where it begins, and in this case, what I'd like to find is the word block quote in my style.css file. So I've highlighted it. I go up and copy it, or you could use the keyboard shortcut to accomplish the same thing. Then I go to my WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Editor. When Editor loads, it auto-loads with the style.css file. And in this case, I'd like to find the first occurrence of the word block quote so I can follow the instructional. So I'm going to go up to Edit, Find. Notice in the upper right-hand corner, there's a box. That's the Find box. Now I'm going to paste. It's pasted the word block quote. It's also highlighted all of the instances of block quote, and the find said that it's found 1 of 7. This is great because now I can follow the instructional on Ion and make the necessary editing changes. Just remember, when you're done making your editing changes, go to the bottom, click the update file so that your style.css is updated. Then you can go take a look at your website and see if the changes are appropriate. And if you're thinking, that looks pretty easy, you're right. It is very easy. Just make sure that before you start and you make any edits, use the safety net strategy. Thanks, guys.